Day 5 in Japan.
It was a bit of a rainy day this one, but we wanted to head to Tokyo Station to check out how to buy the Shinkansen tickets for when we headed to Nagoya.
Upon arrival, we did some gachapon browsing, but we didn't see anything that caught our eye. What did catch my eye is the Traveller's Factory shop.
Lots of boring stationery.
It was brilliant. They're best known for their leather travel journals.
After figuring out the Shinkansen tickets, we made our way over to Monzen-Nakacho and headed to the Tomioka Hachiman Shrine, the largest Hachiman shrine in all of Tokyo.
This shrine is known as the birthplace of professional sumo wrestling and is home to a stone adorned with the names of former champions.
We took a look around, it was nice and quiet, and then we picked up an omamori made out of the hollowed out seed from a genko tree. And then we headed to a much more modern Buddhist temple, finished in 2011, Fukagawa Fudo-do.
This temple stood out to some others we had visited, as it was less surrounded by nature and has more imposing architecture and a modern Sanskrit wall.
We took a look inside, you couldn't film, but it was quite busy with tourists, and there's almost a shopping centre of omamori outside. It did feel a little bit commercial.
Very interesting though. Next we needed a break and a drink, so we made our way into town to Mon's Cafe. We got a delicious matcha and strawberry cake and a cheesecake to share, and spent some time inside away from the rain.
After spending some time wandering around town, we headed back to Tokyo Station to visit the Studio Ghibli store. It wouldn't be a video if we didn't include it. As you might have guessed, we quite like it here. What's different in Tokyo Station though is they also have a GBL store next door. What's a GBL store? It's just more Studio Ghibli, but with a more select range of items, a little bit more adult and some more masculine too.
We bought some of these fun bobbleheads, and I almost picked up this cat bus clock, but decided not to in the end.
We quickly dropped by Tokyo Station Pokemon Center, where you can pick up the Station Master Pikachu, and took a look around Character Street, which is surprisingly difficult to find even though we've been there before, but it's full of all sorts of character goods. Then we got some lunch at Solonorio, which does the best vegan and vegetarian ramen we've had so far.
After returning to our hotel for a quick rest, we went to Shinjuku to get rid of all our gachapon balls at Cipla. And then of course we did a little bit more gachapon shopping.
It would be rude not to. I was very unlucky this time. I got a duplicate robot frog, got a bit of a Gundam I couldn't use, didn't get the robot I wanted from this one, got the only Ape Escape figure I didn't want, got 3 churros and no ice creams before giving up, and a ketchup man who was missing an arm somehow.
After calling it quits, we headed back to our hotel, grabbing a pizza bun on our way back, and had a quiet evening journaling and getting ready for our trip to Nagoya the next day. That's day 5 in Japan! See you next time!